Hi folks, burning away the seasoning on my high-issue pow-wok, 32 centimeters it is. I do this because the wok has had for a long time a little strange smell, and before I used this actually only about 2 or actually about 3 or 4 years ago, and I noticed some rust here before also, and I tried to make some stovetop seasonings on my last apartment's gas hob, and initially in the oven, but I suppose they were not very successful. Now I'm doing for the first time the seasoning on the wok burner. This burner has 25,000 BTUs, which I think it's more than enough for me at least. There's a bit still now coming a bit surface rust here also. I thought it was, I had managed it, but it's no problem. But with these kinds of wok there can easily be issues because they usually have a silicone cover here, and actually on my kitchen domestic Western gas stove I never had issues with this becoming too hot, this handle, but here on proper wok burner I see now it easily gets too hot. So then I think the silicone is good to have, but still there's always the risk of rust because there can get moisture behind the silicone and this handle.